Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will see how we can design this product card animation. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first we'll take one frame and the size of the frame will be 1440 by 800. Perfect. Now we'll add color here. Let's make it dark bit. Perfect. Now let's name it website. Awesome. Now we'll add grid here. Okay, so we'll go to layout grid. We'll select from your column, then 12 columns grid will select, and this will be stretch. And margin, let's have 100, and let's gutter with 32 pixel. Perfect. Now we'll take one another frame by pressing F on the keyboard, and let place it perfectly here. We'll make 4 frame. Let add color white as of now, and let the corner radius around 16 pixel. Perfect. Let increase height around 360. Now we'll bring this frame out of the website frame canvas. Okay, let's name it product 1. Okay, now it's time to design product component. So we have these images of the product and we're gonna use this one, right? Okay, the first we'll use this product, and what we're gonna do, we'll remove image background. The first thing from here, we'll remove background. Perfect. अब इसको हम flip कर देंगे horizontally, and let the size of this shoes around 240 pixel. Perfect. Same, we'll remove background of all of these. Perfect. Let the size of this product image around 200 pixel. It's same, right? Sorry, it's 240, 240 each. Perfect. Now again we'll flip all this horizontally. Now we'll bring these images here. Okay, first we'll use this product. We'll add this product here in the center of the card, and now it's time to add name here and the product MRP. So let's copy this and paste it here. Let the color of this text black. Awesome. We'll adjust here. I think we need to reduce the height of this product bit. We'll press command and then we'll reduce the size. Let it be around 300 pixel. Now we'll adjust accordingly. Move this upward, this also move this upward. Perfect. Let's duplicate this once again. Rename it product default view, and this one product hovered view, right? Now let's move it slightly. Perfect. Now we'll add background color, and the text color will be white. Perfect. Now let's create component. We'll click this card and then we'll press here component, this also component. So our one card is ready. What we'll do prototype. We'll link this one, and here we'll select while hovering, right? And then here this will be navigate to only, and here we'll choose smart animate and let this be 400 ms. Perfect. Now one card is ready. Same way we'll create all 4 card as well. Let's duplicate this one Let's remove this. We'll detach instance first. Okay, now it's time to change name of the product and image. We'll bring these shoes here and we'll put inside this box. Make sure this one is inside this frame, so it's good to click outside of the frame and then put this one here. The name of this product is this one. You can press command shift V, right? It will take automatic the default style of this text. Same, we'll copy this one and we'll press command shift V. Okay, now again we'll duplicate this card. We'll add background color here, white. Okay, now again let's create component and then it combine as variant. Now link this product. Here we'll choose while hovering. Same thing will be as it is. Perfect. Combine as variant. Now we'll name it product 1. Let's name it product 2. Let's duplicate this and bring out of this frame. Okay, now detach instance and detach instance. Now it's time to add third product. We'll pick product from here and we will add here. Perfect, here as well. Let's move it a bit and let's add color here. Okay, we'll now change the name of this product. Let's name it running shoes. Okay, same, it will go here. We'll just press command shift V. Okay, let's update the price. Perfect, we have created product 3 as well. We'll create component this also and then we'll combine it as a variant. Okay, let's name it product 3. Awesome. We'll do prototype. We'll again connect this one and here instead of on click we'll choose while hovering. Same settings will be as it is. We can rotate this from here as well. One more product card is left. Again we'll click these two and then we'll duplicate this one. We'll bring out of this component and we will detach instance. We will detach instance of these two products. Now it's time to update product image here. This one we'll choose it and we will paste here. Awesome. Here also we'll paste the same image. Perfect. We'll rotate this bit. Awesome. We'll change the background color of this product card. Let's choose here this one. Okay. Now it's time to update the name. Copy this one and just press command shift V. Command shift V. Okay, let's add one. Let's remove one space from here. Again we'll copy this and we'll press command shift V, or you can press C. Press paste and match style. Okay, you can do same here as well. Awesome. Again we'll create component You can do from here, or you just click here and click this icon. Okay, now it's time to do prototype. We'll connect this product card, and here we'll choose. While hovering, everything will be as it is, and now this choose here combine as variant. Now let this be product 4. Awesome, we have created all the 4 product card. Now here we'll go to assets, and we'll bring each of the product card, we'll drag all each of the product card, and we will put it here. 100, let this gap around 32 pixel. Now we'll add one text here. Let's write here our featured product. Perfect. Let's increase the size of this text around 44 pixel. Let's put it in the center. Okay, yeah, now this is ready. Let's add some space here from the top. Okay, now it's time to see the prototype. We'll just click this frame, and then we'll click this play button. Now let's see the magic. Wow, this is working fine as expected. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's meet in another video with one more animation video. Thank you so much.